Far out in the Atlantic Ocean lies one of the world's most fascinating island nations. Welcome to Cape Verde, an archipelago of 10 volcanic islands, located nearly 600 kilometers off the west coast of Africa. A place where rugged mountains, endless beaches, colorful towns, and rich traditions come together in perfect harmony. From the sky, Cape Verde reveals its true beauty. Towering volcanic peaks rise from the deep blue Atlantic. Ancient lava fields stretch toward the horizon. Hidden valleys burst with unexpected greenery. And crystal clear waters surround every island. Each island has its own personality. Each landscape tells a different story. Cape Verde was discovered by Portuguese explorers during the 15th century. Because of its location between Europe, Africa, and the Americas, these islands became an important crossroads of trade and culture. Over the centuries, African and Portuguese traditions blended together, creating the unique identity that defines Cape Verde today. Although the nation gained its independence in 1975, its rich history remains visible everywhere. In the colorful streets, in the music, in the food, and in the warm hospitality of its people. The island of Santiago is the largest in the archipelago. It is home to the capital city of Praia, where modern life meets colonial history. Nearby lies Cidade Velha, the oldest European colonial settlement in the tropics. Its cobbled streets and centuries-old churches tell the story of Cape Verde's remarkable past. Further west rises the island of Fogo, dominated by Pico de Fogo, one of the Atlantic's most impressive active volcanoes. From above, the landscape appears almost otherworldly. Black lava fields, towering craters, and vineyards growing from rich volcanic soil. Despite periodic eruptions, life continues to flourish here. To the north, Santo Antão offers an entirely different world. Steep green mountains, deep valleys, waterfalls, and winding roads carved into dramatic cliffs. It is one of the most spectacular hiking destinations anywhere in the Atlantic. Nearby, São Vicente is the cultural heart of Cape Verde. Its vibrant city of Mindelo is famous for music, art, and creativity. This is the birthplace of the legendary singer Cesaria Evora, whose soulful voice introduced Cape Verdean music to audiences around the world. Then there are the islands of Sal and Boa Vista, places where endless white sand beaches meet brilliant turquoise waters. Steady Atlantic winds make these islands a paradise for kite surfers. windsurfers, and sailors. Sea turtles return each year to nest along these protected shores, making Cape Verde one of the Atlantic's most important conservation areas. From above, the contrast is breathtaking. Golden deserts, turquoise lagoons, dark volcanic mountains, an endless blue ocean stretching beyond the horizon. Despite its dry climate, Cape Verde supports a surprising variety of life. Mountain valleys produce bananas, coffee, sugarcane, and tropical fruits. The surrounding Atlantic waters are home to dolphins, whale sharks, sea turtles, and migrating humpback whales. Cape Verdean cuisine reflects centuries of cultural exchange. Fresh seafood is served throughout the islands. Grilled tuna, octopus, lobster, and the national dish, cachupa, a slow-cooked stew of corn, beans, vegetables, and meat or fish. Every family prepares it differently. Every recipe tells its own story. Music is woven into everyday life. The gentle rhythms of Morna express love, longing, and the deep connection Cape Verdeans feel toward their homeland. Meanwhile, lively styles such as funana and coladera fill streets and festivals with energy and celebration. But perhaps Cape Verde's greatest treasure is its people, friendly, welcoming, and deeply connected to their islands. Life moves at a slower pace here, inviting visitors to pause, to breathe, and simply enjoy the moment. Whether hiking across volcanic landscapes, exploring colorful fishing villages, relaxing on quiet beaches, or watching the sun disappear beyond the Atlantic, Cape Verde leaves a lasting impression. As daylight fades, the islands glow beneath golden light. Volcanic peaks cast long shadows. Fishing boats return to shore, and another unforgettable day comes to an end. Cape Verde is more than a destination. It is a journey through nature, history, culture, and resilience. A place where every island offers a new adventure, and every aerial view reveals another unforgettable masterpiece. Thank you for joining this cinematic journey across Cape Verde. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us as we continue exploring the most extraordinary places on Earth.